Welcome to Simple Mountain Life. I am Maya, and today I will share how these Andean slopes transformed from a distant stream into the soil where my roots now grow deep. My first 2 years on the mountain were about learning its language, befriending the wind, storms, and fierce sun. These elements that once brought fear slowly became familiar companions. By third year, confidence had grown in me like a sturdy vine, and I was ready to root deeper. I planted 70 coffee trees, mere wooden chopstick then, to share my rooting journey together. At this altitude, around 1,500 meters to 2,000 meters, coffee thrives naturally. My place is around 1,900 meters. Nearly every family here grows it. The climate is eternal spring, where any seed planted with care flourishes. Each morning, I'd walk along my trees, greeting them like an old friend, offering water in dry season. The first bloom brought such a joy, I literally danced between the rows. Coffee flowers carry a sweet perfume, and fresh cherries hold their delicate fragrance. My first harvest filled just a salad bowl, but roasting those few beans in my cast iron pan, the aroma filled the mountain air and my whole being with a delight. Living alongside nature, the time flows like a mountain stream, steeping into the soil and teaching its quiet wisdom. In the garden, I've learned that weeding is like clearing the mind, not removing everything wild, as even weeds have a purpose, but making space for new growth when needed. Tending a garden demands dedication and isn't suited for everyone, but the reward, fresh food, quiet moments with the hands in soil, and watching life unfold make it worthwhile to experience at least once in our lives. The rain has cleared, revealing nature's gift. The mulberry trees are heavy with fruit, ready for picking. Such abundance flows freely here when tended with care. Today, these sweet berries will become jam, another small harvest from my mountain garden. I have so much of mulberry. Still on the tree, there's tons of mulberries. And then my greens. This is too much to eat at once. So quickly brunch in the hot water and then put in the freezer and then making soup. Okay. Just as I finished gathering mulberries, the rain returned. Perfect timing to transform this purple gem into jam in my cozy kitchen. Now my roots, like my trees, run deep in this mountain soil. Each harvest, from morning coffee to garden vegetables, carries our shared story of growth. Living here reminds me of daily of my fortune, Finding the right place becomes especially meaningful after 50. It's when we truly understand what nourishes our soul. It's Thursday morning, time to join my creative circle in town. I chose the mountain path instead of driving. I am taking the old path, my backpack, carrying yesterday's mulberry jam to share with my friends. The untamed grass, waist high and wet, turns my walk into a jungle adventure. A fallen eucalyptus catches my eyes, its roots too shallow to withstand the endless rain, teaching another lesson about the importance of growing deep roots in this mountain soil. Heavy rains destroyed the road below, finding weakness where last year December's fire left the soil bare. Yet up here, tranquility remains unshaken. Only cowbells and distant donkeys' calls break the silence. A peaceful solitude that fills each moment. This solitude isn't loneliness, it's a happy aloneness, filled with joyful presence from moment to moment. The mountain taught me that home isn't just where we live, but where we finally feel free to grow into ourselves. So I ask you, where are you now? Not just physically, but in your journey. What soil are your roots seeking? Thank you for sharing this piece of my story. May it spark something meaningful for you and inspire your own path of finding home. If you have any question about mountain lifestyle and then something else, just leave a comment in the below. See you in the next video.